Hi guys, I'm doing an unboxing today in the car. We just finished eating lunch. Well, my kids are still eating lunch. The other ones sleep behind me. But I'm just gonna do an unboxing. I just picked it up from the post office. This is actually
Eric went to go pick up Grandma.
This is actually very unexpected in the sense of I never really thought I was actually gonna be able to purchase this, because if you guys watched my Texas vlog, you would have seen that I tried this item on in store, and I actually thought that I liked the other one better. I'm not trying to give too much of it away, but there's that. And can you guys see?
Yeah.
Oh, you probably can't. Okay. It's nicely bubble wrapped. So I did get this item pre-loved. It says that it was pre-loved. It was used a few times. And this is who the seller is.
And then Mommy's gonna open it, and then Juno's sleeping, and then Juno is coming to my Saturday.
Okay.
And
So I think I got this like 40-ish% off.
that's all the cash, and then buy. Excuse me.
You're excused.
And buy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is my first ever purchase of something like this.
No,
So
Cosby Duty.
I'm nervous and excited and just ta-da! So it's in this drawer pull. Oh my
Mommy,
gosh.
I'm tired.
Okay, take a nap. And it's bubble wrapped nicely. Trying to figure out where to put all this stuff. Oh my gosh. And there's shoes. You see that it's 2 dust bags for each shoe. Came with extra laces, the ribbon, and the care book. And this is actually kind of awkward because I'm in a parking lot. So leave me alone, people. Oh my gosh. Okay. Moment of truth. Do you guys have any guesses what I got? So here's one pair.
And then Mommy.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Give me water.
You guys. Ta-da! I got the Star Trail boots by Louis Vuitton.
Duty.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Smells like leather. Yeah. So I have to clean it, and let me show you guys. I was researching how to clean like luxury shoes. So we'll clean it together. I'm just loosening up these little strappy bit things. So that I could show you how I'm gonna disinfect this. Okay, so I have the wet ones, and they kill 99% of germs, whatever. So I'm just gonna take a little. Are you finished? Okay, just grab one. And it was barely used, and obviously I'm gonna get it authenticated if I can figure out. Oh, so the date code is, so when you open the shoe, it's right here in this flap right here. Can you see that right there? So I'm just gonna wipe it down all the way in there, because you never know. Feet sweat. Okay. Get another one. This is actually really pretty. And then I'm just gonna let that soak in, and then I'm gonna wipe down the exterior. And then I'll do okay. And then I just brought a little towel to soak up any excess. That's so bougie. I just yeah. If it works, it works. Okay. Moment of truth. Will they fit me? Let's see. Because I honestly don't remember what size I tried on in Vegas, so we'll see. I'm kind of scared. Yes?
Is plushies in the back so it can be good?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
What?
It fits. Okay.
Okay, mommy, friends. I mean, and then bye.
You guys can't see this, but oh my gosh, it fits. I'm so excited.
No, you're not.
Be quiet.
You can cry it. I'm just kidding, mommy.
Oh. Okay, so I got these in a 36.5. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I got this in a 36.5, and I usually
My friends.
I'm usually like a
No,
6,
those are my friends.
6.5, 7 in shoes. Now I think I'm back to like a 6, 6.5. But when I was pregnant and just recently gave birth, I was really big.
Mommy.
I usually wear like a 4.5 in kids like tennis shoes. So I'm so excited that these fit me. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get it authenticated, take some photos. You guys, I'm so excited to wear these.
Mommy, Junior.
He's awake?
Yeah, look.
Hi, Junior. Alright, we're gonna try these on today.
Junior's still sleeping.
Oh, he's still sleeping.
Yeah. But like it was.
But yeah, they're so cute. I love them.
Talk
and
quiet.
I'll let you guys know if it's authentic or
that's
not. But
fine.
I'll see you guys later. Bye.